So in this video, you'll learn how to change the hotspot name and password on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to just navigate to settings, and then under settings, tap on connections. From connections, select mobile hotspot and tethering, and then choose mobile hotspot. From here, you then want to scroll until you find network name and password. If you want to change the network name, just tap on it. If you want to change the network password, tap on that. You'll be brought to this editing menu, and so all you need to do is just tap on a text box and enter in the new name and password that you would like to use. So once you've finished entering in the name as well as the password, what you're going to do is just remember to tap on save to apply the changes. And so now whenever someone wants to connect to your hotspot, they'll be using this new network name and password. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.